Bezindaba zehora lesikhombisa sigwetshela zinabukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli imbukeli nazo ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
I have loved leading the DA, which is why today I let it go with a smile on my face and triumphant peace in my heart.
Umholi we-Democratic Alliance uJohn Steenhuisen usememezele ukuthi ngeke awungenele umbango wobuholi baleli qembu njengoba libheke engqungqutheleni yokukhetha ubuholi ngoMbasa nonyaka.
In my judgment, I found that the court best suited to decide whether the deaths of Messias Maynor and Tetat has caused Mr. Zuma and Thales irredeemable or insurmountable trial prejudice.
Inkantolo ephakeme yaseMgungundlovu isinqabile isicelo sikalowa bewumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma nenkampani yekhali iThales njengoba bebefuna ukwedlulisa isinqumo sayo sokuchitha isicelo sabo sokufuna kwesulwe amacala enkohlakalo ababhekene nawo mayelana nokuthengwa kwezikhali.
Who was the deputy minister at that stage who you understood to have pressurized General Sibiya?
Namhlanje iphoyisa elethula ubufakazi ngaphansi ngegama lika Witness F eCommissioneni kaMadlanga liphekwe ngemibuzo mayelana nokugxambukela kwezosombusazwe ekuboshweni kukaMusa Khawula. Mbukeli asikubingelele sikwamukele eindabeni zakusihla igama lami nguNoxolo Mamtshali bokwamwali ihlabangane elimhlophe qwa. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi namhlanje kusela sikabe sapholisa amaseko ke asibheke ukuthi namhlanje sihamba naziphi. Umholi we-Democratic Alliance uJohn Steenhuisen usememezele ukuthi ngeke awungenele umbango wobuholi baleli qembu njengoba libheke engqungqutheleni yokukhetha ubuholi ngoMbasa nonyaka.
This is not the end of the road for the DA, and it's certainly not the end of the road for me.
Ngemuva kwamahlandla amabili ephethe izintambo, umnumzana uSteenhuisen usethe khumumu. Ubonge abalandeli bakhe kanye nezinhlaka zeqembu ngokumeseka. Isimemezelo sakhe size ngesikhathi la ekade ebhekene nezinsolo zokuthi wasebenzisa budedengu ikhadi lasebhange leqembu. Uphenyo lwangaphakathi lweqembu kodwa lamthola engenacala. Ukusula kaDokotela uDion George njengongqongqoshe wezamahlathi zekudoba nezimvelo ngonyaka odlule kuthiwa kudala ukungaboni ngasolinye epholini beqembu. Dokotela uGeorge wayisola umnumzana uSteenhuisen ngongaphathwa kahle kwezimali. Umnumzana uSteenhuisen uvumile ukuthi ukhola iqembu nokuba ungqongqoshe wezolimo kuyamsinda.
I now have another mission, and it is urgent. For the rest of this term of office, I will focus all of my time and energy as Minister of Agriculture on defeating the most devastating foot and mouth disease outbreak our country has ever seen.
Umnumzana uSteenhuisen uthi uzokwaseka noma imuphi umholi ozothatha izintambo emva kwakhe.
The next duly elected DA leader can rely on my full support and will be given the space to lead the party as they see fit. For the true test of whether you love a thing is the ability to let it go when the time is right. I have loved leading the DA, which is why today I let it go with a smile on my face and triumphant peace in my heart.
Ngqungquthela elandelayo ye-DA izoba ngoMbasa.
Inkantolo ephakeme yaseMgungundlovu isinqabile isicelo sikalowa bewumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma nenkampani yezikhali iThales njengoba bebefuna ukwedlulisa isinqumo sayo sokuchitha isicelo sabo sokufuna kwesulwe amacala enkohlakalo ababhekene nawo mayelana nokuthengwa kwezikhali.
Ijaji uChili uthi akakholelwa ukuthi enye inkantolo izophambuka endleleni yakhe ebanzi yokubheka lolu daba.
In my judgment, I found that the court best suited to decide whether the deaths of Messias Maynor and Tetat has caused Mr. Zuma and Thales irredeemable or insurmountable trial prejudice is the trial court, whose duty it is to consider the impact of the non-availability of Messias Maynor and Tetat in the light of all the evidence presented to court.
Ujaji uChili uthi sekungaba nzima ukufaka izicelo zokudlulisa amacala ngenxa yesinqumo esakhishwa inkantolo ephakeme yokudlulisa amacala ngonyaka odlule.
It basically says previously when the prospect of success, the bar was a bit low. So if even there's a slight chance that there are prospects that you're going to be successful in the next court, then I must grant you that leave to appeal. But this judgment then says no, we're dealing with a real based on facts or based on law, chances of making sure that you're going to succeed there. So it's not just merely making an allegation that another court will find in my favor. You also delve into details.
Khona manjalo isahlulelo esicelweni sombuso sokumisa iStalingrad sigcinelwe kuze kube ngoApril. Umbuso ufuna uJudge Chili anqume ukuthi icala liqhubeke yize abameli bakaZuma neThallis benezicelo noma izikhalo abazifakile. Umbuso uthi ukubambezeleka kweminyaka engu-18 kwaleli cala kuthunaza isithunzi sobulungiswa. Ngingunonhlakanipho Magwaza ezindabeni ze-SABC eThekwini.
Ikhomishana kaMadlanga izwe ngeinsolo zokuthi iphini likangqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uCastle Mathale waxambukela kangakanani ngokufaka ingcindezi yokuthi kuboshwe uMusa Khawula odumeke einkundleni zokuxhumana ngokudalula ngeindaba ezibucayi zosaziwayo kanye nosombusazwe. Incwadi egunyaza ukuboshwa kuKhawula yathunyelelwa nosomabhizinisi obhekene neinsolo zamacala uVusumuzi Khet Matlala.
Komishana kaMadlanga besicubungula ngemlayezo ye-WhatsApp eyatholakala kumakhalekhukhwini kaWitness F nokuvele khona ukuthi wathumelela usomabhizinisi osezinkingeni uVusumuzi Matlala emazisa ngokukhishwa kwencwadi egunyaza ukuboshwa kukaMusa Khawula. Ikomishana izwe nangezinsolo zokuthi kulolu daba kwaba nokugxambukela kwezombusazwe kuMathale ngenhloso yokuthi kuboshwe uKhawula owayesolwa ngokujivaza isithunzi kunobhala jikelele we-ANC kanye nosomabhizinisi uZenqumalo.
Evidence was that it was reported to you by General Sibiya that he had been pressurized by the Deputy Minister to do this.
That's correct.
And who was the Deputy Minister at that stage who you understood to have pressurized General Sibiya?
Mr. Castle Mathale.
Kushiye imibuzo engaphenduleki kumalungu ekhomishana ngokuthi yini eyenza ukuthi uWitness F athumelele uKhet Matlala incwadi eyayigunyaza ukuboshwa kukaMusa Khawula.
What risk or danger did Mr. Khawula pose? Why did you need all these people to effect an arrest?
According to me, because I've communicated prior to Brigadier Ramangwa that I don't have manpower or crew at that time. So I assumed that he phoned the tracking team because the tracking team was user-friendly to him.
Khana izoqhubeka nethangamsayo ekseni kusasa.
Ikomidi lesikhashana lasePhalamende eliphenya ngeinsolo zokuxambukela kosombusazwe nosomabhizinisi emsebenzini wamaphoyisa liyaqhubeka nokuzwa ubufakazi babantu abahlukene. Ukuzwa kabanzi ke embukeli ngalokhu ake sixhumane nentatheli SABC elandelela lolu daba uBulelani Philip osePhalamende. Bulelani asikhomukele eindabeni zehora lesikhombisa kusihlwa. Sibonile izolo kubizwa ofakazi abafana noPatricia Mashale. Sicela nje ukuthi sichazeleke ngokwenzeka kuleli komidi namhlanje.
Manibulise kwenoxolo nakubaphulaphuli namhlanje ke bekulindeleke kuba ingqina ebekumele linike ubungqina izolo liphinde ke likhwele emkhumbini lizokunika ubungqina kodwa ke kuvele ke amaginqiginqi ngokubana ke isebe lezobuntlola apho ke elingqina lisebenza khona liyabhalela le komiti lisithi elingqina kufuneka uqala komthetho lifumane imvume kwela sebe phambi kokuba ke linike ubungqina. Le komiti ke iyacebisa elingqina kubana ke ifake iapplication yokubana ke ikwazi ukuba inike ubungqina. Le komiti ke kwakhona iphinde yeva ubungqina kumagosa amathathu asesipoliseni aphangelela iforensic science laboratory eSilvertown kwaye ke la mapolisa mathathu anike ubungqina ngelithi ukusukela ngo-2010 afaka isikhalazo kumagosa aphezulu esipolisa kwaye nakubaphathiswa abathathu besipolisa bangaphambili ababalula uFikile Mbalula, uNkosinathi Nhleko kwaye noGeneral Bhekicele. Kodwa ke izikhalazo zabo bathi ukuzothi kangoku azikasatyelwa kwaye akukathathelwa amanyathelo phantsi kwezitsholo bathi ziyenzeka ke kwelaziko ele-Forensic Science Laboratory. Batshola ngokuthi ke zonke iziyobisi ezithi ezithathwe ngamapolisa kwiindawo ezifana nesikhululo senqwelomoya saseRhawutini OR Tambo International zithi ke xa zifika phaya ke kwekosa sikhululo se-Forensic Science Laboratory zibiwe kwangalamagosa asebenzela isipolisa kwaye bathi banabo ubungqina ke abathi babukhusela okanye babunika ngaphambili kumagosa esipolisa aphezulu. Kodwa ke ukuzothi kangoku akukabikho ke into eyenzekayo ngokuthathwa kwamanyathelo ngakwabo ke babandakanyekayo, ingakumbi abo ababonwe ushicilelo lomabonakude. Ukubheka phambili noxolo nangomso lekomiti iza kuqhubeka isiva ubungqina kubantu ke abafuna ukuncedisa le komiti apha emsebenzi wayo. Kwangoku masithatha intambo sizibuyisele kuwe eGauteng.
Sibonge kakhulu ke umbukeli lo bekuBulelani Philip yena ubesibikela esePhalamende eKapa. Kanti ke mangabe siqhubekela phambili, iEFF ithi ayisoze ikhathale ukulwela ukuthi siphume isinqumo odabeni lweplazi likaMengameli wakuleli phalaphala. Ngenkathi umholi walo leli qembu uJulius Malema ebambe isithangamina beindaba, uphinde wanxusa ukuba umbiko wokuqala wekhomishana kaMadlanga udalulwe esidlangalaleni.
Fithi sazoba yiphele endlebeni ngodaba lwecala lweplazi likaMengameli Phalaphala. uMalema uthi kuyakhathaza ukuthi namanje kusengumzukuzuku ukukhishwa kwesinqumo odabeni osekuphela unyaka lwalalelwa enkantolo yomthethosisekelo ngo-2024.
Prolonged silence from the Apex Court therefore undermines public confidence in the judiciary and creates the perception of selective agency when political power is implicated.
Paula ngokugodlwa kombiko wesikhashana wekomishana kaMadlanga owedlutsela kuMengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa mhla zi-17 kuZibandlela ngonyaka wedlule.
Concerned that the interim report is not being made public and that some implicated persons have not yet been heard in full before the commission.
Liyagxila odabeni lokusebenza kwekomishana emele yokhetho IEC. uMalema uthi kuningi okukhathaza nge-IEC ngekhathi zokhetho.
Facts in the IEC is not discrepancy. He's talking nonsense. There are facts in the IEC who work for the ANC, who are from the ANC.
Ihlela ukubamba umbhikisho inyanga nenyanga ngaphandle kwenkantolo yomthethosisekelo kuze kuba ikhipha isinqumo odabeni lwePhalaphala.
Mbukeli sithathe ke qu eitolo kanti mangabe sibuya sokuphathela uWT.
uLazola ngumuntu obethanda kakhulu abantu, othanda abantu, obelwela abantu, ozixelelayo ngokulwela abantu.
Umndeni wekhansela lewadi lase Crossroads eduze kwaseNyanga eCape Flats uthi sadidekile ngokuthi ubani bengafuna ukulibulala ngoba belumuntu osebenzela umphakathi ngokuyinikela. Sekubingelela sikwamukele uma ngabe usanda kungena, asikukhumbuzeke mbukeli ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube na ku-SABC Plus. Ungena kuzo uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngomnjalo bazo. INingizimu Afrika isiyilungu ngokusemthethweni lebhange lokuhwebelana nokuthuthukiswa kwezohwebo eAfrika iAfri-XM Bank ngemva kokucikicwa kwesivumelwano. uMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi ubulungu beNingizimu Afrika kuleli ibhange buzodlala indima enkulu ukuhlomlisa iNingizimu Afrika kanye namanye amazwe asezwenikazi.
uMengameli uRamaphosa uchaze lesi sivumelwano njengesizolekelela ekusimamiseni uhlelo lwemikhiqizo eyahlukene ethunyelwa kwamanye amazwe noguquko olungcono ngokwezomnotho kanye nokufukulwa kokutshalwa kwezemali eAfrika.
South Africa's accession to Africa Export-Import Bank affirms our commitment to African industrial development and to deepening trade, investment and development across our continent.
Umengameli waleli bhange uDokotela George Elombi umemezele isamba semali engamabhiliyoni ayi-11 ngokwamadola asemelika ukuzohlomula kuyo eNingizimu Afrika nokuyimali ezofakwa emkhakheni wezimboni zokukhiqiza bese kuthi enye ingxenye izolekelela kakhulu ohlelweni lokuthuthukiswa kwezamabhizinisi amancane.
There is a supplementary, an additional $3 billion, which is for the inclusive program, so that we can reach out to those sectors of the economy and the populations which have been vulnerable, which have not had real access to financing.
Kusenjalo ungqongqoshe wezohwebo izimboni kanye nokuncintisana uqinisekise ngezindaba ezinhle zokuthela kuleli lisazoqhubeka libe yingxenye yamazwe ahlomula ngokohlelo lwe-AGOA.
Umndeni wekhansela lewadi lase Crossroads eduze kwaseNyanga eCape Flats uthi usadidekile ngokuthi ubani obengafuna ukulibulala ngoba belumuntu osebenzela umphakathi ngokuyinikela.
Bekungumunye wodwa emndenini kaLazola Gunxe ngesikhathi uhambele emakhazeni ukuyohlonza isidumbu sothandiweyo wabo noshona esigamekweni sokudubulana.
uLazola ngumuntu obethanda kakhulu abantu, othanda abantu, obelwela abantu, ozixelelayo ngokulwela abantu, ofuna usebenzela abantu. So iyo lento isithandabuzisayo sothusileyo uba bambulala njani umuntu onjalo. Akho umuntu azange alwe namuntu, azange axabane namuntu, but bakwazile umbulala.
Umholi we-ANC esifundeni iDula Oma uchaze uGuxe njengelungu ebelizimisele futhi lizinikele emphakathini.
Xabane uLazola ngomnye we-public reps zethu ebezinikele kakhulu emsebenzini wakhe, ebesenza nantoni na athi ayithunywe ngumbutho. Nalapha bebikhona imigushuzo yabantu bebengamfuni, but ebesithi ifaka yinzi public rep iza kwenziwa ngubani.
Kusaphenywa ngalesigameko kodwa amaphoyisa athi akukho okuyimpahla okuthathwe kuye.
It is totally abnormal to kill someone, even if there are differences among themselves, but there are always ways of addressing the problem rather than taking his life.
Umndeni uthi usazohlela ngamalungiselelo omncwabo.
Owayengumqondisi wezokushushiswa kwamacala omphakathi KwaZulu-Natal uAdvocate Moiponi Noko utshele isigcawu sikaNkabinde esiphenya ngobuqotho bomqondisi walolu phiko eSouth Gauteng uAdvocate Andrew Chauke ukuthi wacindezelwa ukuze asule esikhundleni sakhe ngoNdasa wango-2021.
Wehlelekile ukuzibamba izinyembezi wayengumqondisi wezokushushiswa amacala omphakathi KwaZulu-Natal Advocate Moiponi Noko njengoba bekhumbula izinsuku zakhe zokugcina ngaphambi kokushiya kulolu phiko. Utshele lesigcawu esiphenya ngobuqotho buka-Advocate Andrew Chauke ukuthi wabizwa ngamagama angemnandi ngokulwela ukuthi lamacala okukhwabanisa abhekene noMajor General Johan Boysen kanye nophiko lwamaphoyisa eKhetomenya equlwe.
He was establishing a commission the same way as she has done with Advocate Chauke against me. That's when I felt I don't have the emotional strength for all of this, and I resigned. That's why I'm saying I was pushed to resign. Because I didn't understand how else must I explain this. Now I felt now I must be humiliated for this. Like, I couldn't take it anymore, Chair.
Unoko uphinde watshela lesigcawu ukuthi akubanga nabulungiswa emndenini eyashonelwa ngemuva kokuthi Advocate Shamila Batoyi elaxaza amacala okukhwabanisa ebhekene noBoysen kanye nophiko lwaseKhetomena.
Was that the police created an impression at every scene of murder that the deceased people were posing some danger at them, and they are alleged to have planted firearms, which according to ballistic reports, most of them were not functional or did not match the cartridges that were found on the scene.
Ngesikhathi uNoko ebuzwa ngokuthi akabonanga lutho okungajwayelekile ngokungenelela kwa-Advocate Chauke ecaleni elingaphandle kwesifundazwe asebenza kuso, uNoko utshele lesigcawu ukuthi akukho akuxwayile. U-Advocate Noko uzoqhubeka ukwethula ubufakazi bakhe kusasa kulesigcawu.
Umbhishobhi uJohn Bolona webandla iBantu Church of Christ udlule emhlabeni eseneminyaka engama-82 ubudala ushonele emzini wakhe eGqeberha esifundazweni Eastern Cape emva kokugula kancane nje.
Le ibingayomini imnandi kumarhamente ebandla iBantu Church of Christ njengoko ubawo ugqirha uJohn Bolana elandulele eli. Ubawo uGaba ebethandwa kweli lizwe kuquka nelizwekazi lase-Afrika ngemisebenzi yakhe emihle. Ebenebandla kwilokishi yaseNew Bright apho ebezibandakanya namaphulo asekuhlaleni. Uye wangubhishophu wesihlanu weli bandla iminyaka eyi-25 kwaye ushiye umqela obonakalayo. Kunyaka ophelileyo uye wavula umyezo ochaza banzi ngembali yeli bandla.
Siziva sidandethekile kakhulu, siqhelekile kangangoba kokuqala sinqwenela ukudlulisa ilizwi lesingxengxezo kulo lonke ilungu lenkonzo leBantu Church of Christ.
Xesha linzima kakhulu, siziva sidandathekile kakhulu emphefumulweni. Usapho lonke lwasekhaya ludandathekile kakhulu. Kodwa ke ngethamsanqa usapho lwasekhaya lube nethamsanqa ba utatomkhulu alimthathi njengomzali kuphela, koko bamthatha njengenkokheli yabo.
Amarhamente eli bandla awakazamkeli ezindaba zokushiywa yintloko yeli bandla, kodwa athi afunde lukhulu kwiimfundiso zakhe utata uBishop Bolana. Ngexesha lorhulumente wocalucalulo, ibandla iChurch of Christ ladlala indima enkulu ekulwelweni amalungelo abantu abantsundu. Usapho lwakhe kulindeleke lubhengeze usuku azokubekwa ngalo kwikhaya lakhe lokugqibela. Ndinguzolani Moya wendaba ze-SABC ndiseGqeberha.
Umqhudelwano womkhumula Jazzy iNedbank Cup uqalile namhlanje njengoba kunemidlalo emibili namuhla. iMamelodi Sundowns ibhekene neGomora United eLoftus Versfeld ePitoli. iKaizer Chiefs engabavikeli ke bendebe izobhekana neStellenbosch FC eKapa. Lo mdlalo ke umbukeli bekufanele ukuthi uqale ngelesikhombisa, kodwa ngenxa yabalandeli abaningi abebengakangeni sekuholeleke ukuthi uhlehliswe kancane njengoba manje usizoqala uma kugamanxalela ihora. Umhlahle wesimo sezulu ke mbukeli uzolandela emva kwekhefu noThini Ntshiza.
Nginibingile babukile emakhaya ngiphinde nginamukele kwesimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa ke sibheke sime kanjani zikhona ke nje imvula nomoya elindelekile nje kakhulukazi ngempela mawubheka nje khona ke esifundazweni iEastern Cape wena kanjalo nje esifundazweni iWestern Cape. Kanti futhi nakusasa singalindela nje amathuba emvula khona ke nje kwelika Mthaniya kuyana kanjalo nje esifundazweni Eastern Cape kuyenjalo ke nakhona ke nje esifundazweni iWestern Cape. Kanti ke isixwayiso sethu ke sakusihle siphuma lapha no South African Weather Service sime kanje soxoxa nje mbukeli khona ke lokaduma ke mnobungozi obuthanje buqiniseke nje kakhulukazi ngempela khona ke lapha na kwelika Mthaniya kana kanjalo nje esifundazweni Eastern Cape kuyanjalo ke nakhona ke nje esifundazweni iWestern Cape. Kanti futhi nakusasa ke singalindela nje isixwayiso ke nje sifanayo nje sokuduma kwezulu kepha ke nje uzoqaphela ke nje lo amoya ke ongadala kona ke nje umlili kakhulukazi ngempela mawubheke nje khona ke lapha na ke esifundazweni iNorthern Cape. Kanti ke amazinga okushisa kusihlwa aphansi kakhulukazi phela mobheke nje khona lapha na iKapa lodumo ngingasho nje ukuthi liyashisa ke nje namhlanje ebusuku ngawo nje u20 ngasho nje ukuthi likhahlela isingubo nje izulu kakhulukazi phela mobheke nje khona ke Uppington ngawo nje u25 shisa njalo ke nakhona ku Goli ngawo nje u17 kuya njalo ke nakhona ke Musina kuya njalo ke nakhona ke nje Richards Bay singalindela nje u20 kuya njalo ke lapha na ke eThekwini ngasho nje siliyashisa ke namhlanje ebusuku ngawo nje u24 kuya njalo ke nakhona ke Gqeberha. Kanti ke kusasa singalindela nje ukuthi izulu lishiseke nje kakhulukazi phela mabheke nje khona ke nje eKapa lodumo singalindela nje u28 lishise njalo nakhona ke nje Uppington ngawo nje u37 singalindela nje ukuthi lishise njalo ke nakhona ke Bloemfontein kuya eGoli kuya njalo ke nakhona ke ePretoria lishise njalo nakhona ke eMbombela lishise njalo nakhona ke nje eMnambithi ngawo nje u37 kuya njalo ke nakhona ke Richards Bay mabhekise khona ke nje eThekwini eClermont kwaMashu eMlaza singalindela nje u32 kuya njalo ke nakhona ke Gqeberha lisashisa nje ngawo nje u29 ngisibeka lapho ke isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kwesihlwa mina ke ngento ngamadlamini ulangelihle ngoba libalele ngithi konke kufeziwe.
Mbukeli sizibeka lapha besikuphathele zona namuhla kusasa abakhonoza kwethu neindaba ngolumi lesiXhosa sibonga kakhulu ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi namhlanje la endabeni zakusisa siyathobeka kakhulu nibe nje nobusuku obuhle nisale kahle.